I try to lift up, and then it's out. How to remove your GPS ceramic antenna from any device like Avata or something. Two things. It's mostly double-sided tape between it and here a solder point. So what we're gonna do is we're going to heat up everything, the antenna, then with like a razor blade, very tiny, go into and make the double-sided tape loosen, or you can have a sharp knife. But when you want to deal with like antenna on the Avata, you need something that is very flexible to go beneath things and go very slowly. So I'm going to use my heater, and I have it now at you see 230 degrees, and let's heat it up. So it's exactly the same how I do it on my drones. I have my 8 Avatas, like 5 Avatas 2 and 3 Avatas 1. Yeah, they all have their GPS removed on the same technique. So I cannot show you how to do it there, but it's the same principle as this. Just heating these things up here. Let's try with the razor blade. Yeah, I feel the glue is coming loose of the double-sided tape. Go all in there. Over there. So it's gonna be easier when I put some soldering on this, fresh solder, and heat up that pin. But here it's all first double-sided tape. Voila. Good, gonna take some fresh solder iron, fresh solder, and yeah, let's get it there, but I need to find my solder. I'm doing some fresh soldering, so the heat transmission will be much easier and faster. But meanwhile, I'm doing this, I had already my knife or my razor blade in there. So think like you are now on your drone. And while you're doing it, you try to give it some force, upwards force, while I'm heating up this thing. Of course, it's now there it comes. Come on, stupid pin. Okay. But I removed the GPS. This is just that little pin. Let's go through the antenna, and you can always put it back. Now this antenna just broke. I put too much force. Doesn't matter. You don't have now any antenna anymore. It's not receiving GPS, and you can easily fly indoors now, especially with metal constructions when the GPS signal gets reflected and comes with delay to the GPS, and sometimes you don't have any controls anymore on your Avata or what else. So I'm using this flexible, and this little side is sharp enough to go into it. And while I heated it up, I'm losing the double-sided tape, yeah. And then, or you take this knife again, but still it does not flexible. You're sticking sometimes maybe too hard in there. So I still tried to get this one as deep as possible in here. And then while I'm having here with my iron soldering, I try to lift up, and then it's out. Clean this, You can always put this back in and you have back receiving GPS signals. But you can